Hi, hello, how are you all? Let's send some love. Get a notebook, any notebook that you have, a watercolor, a brush, some crayons that you have, and a cup of water. So it can be your normal notebook. A thick paper would be good rather than a A4 sheet. Take the sheet and cut them into half. Tear them. Do not use a blade or scissors. I want a rough cut. So make sure you tear it in the hand. It's okay even if the edges are not so clean. Make it into these small bits. Now we are going to send some love to our loved ones. Pick up some crayons that you have and start drawing hearts. Yes, this is the special one for our Valentine's Day. So Saturday, Sunday, you have lots of time to do this. Draw as many hearts as possible. How many people you love, tell them that you love. Draw many hearts in different colors. Some means one heart, some two hearts. So just based on that. Now applying some watercolor on the heart, just a rough, do not do it fully, just only the heart, do it. Color all the hearts that you have done with color, same color or double color, just fill it. Yes, you have it very colorful hearts. Now take a sketch or a black pen that you have, flip the heart, and here we are going to write a message, a small cute little message to our loved ones. This is for Yakshit's mommy. Love you, mommy. Just a cute note, whatever you wanted to write. Don't forget to write the date. This is so memorable, and this card, the small card that you're going to give them, they're going to treasure it for lifelong. Yes, they are going to do. So likewise, you pick up every heart, tell everybody, your grandma, grandpa, your friends, your cousins, your niece, your nephews, your neighbors, the team you play with, your classmates. Write a small message. Everybody have something to feel for you, right? This can be done by kids and also adults. Yes, we wrote some. It's like Yakshit writing to all his family and also his friends. Write these small cards. Make as much as possible. Tell me how many hearts you have made in the comments. I would suggest the parents also do this to the kids, and kids do this to everybody. Adults should do it, and just flow our love rather than lots of gifts that you give. This small note will keep a big smile on everyone's face. So now, what are we going to do with these cards? Right? This is love you so much, Dad, my hero. So how he's going to treasure it? Take his wallet and put it inside, and this is the treasure that he will have forever. It will be with him forever. Anytime he remembers you, love you, baby, and he knows, yes, the effort that you have done. Inky Pinky Ponky. Yes, now love you, mommy. How is mommy going to treasure? So everybody, they have their own treasure bags and the wallets. Yes, they could see any time and every time that they wanted to see. They feel like it and they treasure it for lifelong. Yes, I would promise this. Your parents, your grandmas, whomever you're giving it, will treasure it for lifelong. Love you all. Do lots and comment how many hearts you have made and how many people you have given this with. Make as much as possible. Lots of love. Happy Valentine's Day.